Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. So in this video we'll see a basic web application deployment on AWS using an application load balancer to distribute incoming HTTP traffic to an Nginx web server. So it's hosted on EC2 instance. So let's first understand the architecture and then we'll move to the demo. So in the diagram you will see this ALB. Basically it's an application load balancer. It's public facing, meaning it's accessible over the internet. So it's listen on port 80. So like it provide routing logic, health checks and scalability. Next comes target group. So what is target group? So basically it's a logical grouping of backend instance or IPs that can receive traffic from the this application load balancer. So here in the diagram, Nginx EC2 instance is the target group. So this target group perform health checks on each registered instance. Here example, if Nginx is responding on slash. So next come the security group. You see the diagram security group. So think of it like a virtual firewall. So this security group it attached to application load balancer. So in the demo we'll see how we can do, and it's allow inbound rule. So basically the main function is it restricts who can talk and how it can protect the environment. So let's begin the demo. So first we'll deploy the Nginx web server. In the last video I show how to deploy, so you can skip the first part, but I will show how can we do. So first go to the EC2 and search for EC2 instance and click on this. And click on launch instance. In the diagram what was its name for Nginx? Yeah, this one will give Nginx EC2. EC2. Take the image Ubuntu and it's bit slow, and take the instance type to T2 micro and create a new key pair for SSH. Name is Nginx key. Click on create key pair. So now we'll do this allow HTTP traffic, and in the advanced here in the last video I saw how to install this in Nginx on EC2. So I will just copy paste the script. Paste. Check once. Nginx key to micro. We have allowed it. Now we can launch the instance. So this will start the Nginx. First we launch the instance. Now go to the instance and it's up and running. So you can copy this public IP colon. This side. Let me refresh it. See, it's coming. Now it's created, like it's running. Now we'll create the security group. Go to the EC2 and search here security. Click the security groups. Click on create security group. Name it as per diagram DevOps SG and give allow HTTP. Here we'll add an inbound rule, HTTP, and source will be 0. DevOps SG allow HTTP rules. Add traffic. So now we'll create the security group DevOps. Click on create. Now the next step is to create target group. So go to the load balancing and click on target group. Click on create target groups and choose the instance and give the name as we discussed, DevOps TG, and give the port 80, IP, HTTP. Rest of the things keep same. Click on next, and here you can see the instance is coming. We have created Nginx EC2 in the target group. So here you can click include as pending and click on create target groups. So it's created. So now we'll create the application load balancer. So go to the load balancer, click on create load balancer and choose the application load balancer, create, and gives DevOps ALB. It should be internet facing and VPC as keep it default, and maximum support to choose the 2 subnets minimum. I will take 4 and from here choose the security groups which we have created, DevOps SD, this one, and select the target group which we have created, DevOps TG, and check all these things. So now launch the, click on create load balancer. So it's got created. Go to the target group, targets. Here you can see it's unused now. wait for some time the health status. Till now we go to the load balancer and click on DevOps ALB, and here you can choose this, click on this DNS name and go to the web browser and paste this. Now it's not reachable, we have to wait for some time. Check the health status, it is still in initial. Refresh it again. Go to the load balancer. Okay, target groups. It's taking time. So see here it's DevOps ALB and east. So in this way you can configure the application load balancer. So that's all from this video, and keep subscribe my channel, and thank you.